Hi everyone, today's video is a quick room tour of the 5 Hotel in Jumeirah Village Triangle. So as you walk in, on the right is a small kitchen space which is a decent size. The living space is a really good size. You've got a small dining table, you have the sofa, the TV, small coffee table. It's really spacious. So as you can see from this angle, the living space is a very decent size. Usually in some hotels you get sort of a desk and you have your breakfast, dinner, lunch there. But here you've got the dining table, you've got a small coffee table. You don't have to be cramped in one place. The finishing of the apartment was very modern, but it still felt very comfortable and cozy. This is the bedroom, and the bed faces the balcony, which I absolutely loved. Again, a fantastic size for a bedroom. The bed was also very large and it was extremely comfortable. Behind the bed there was a large desk so you could do some work if you wanted. The room came with a large wardrobe and all the usual bedroom facilities. Over to the bathroom, which is right next to the bedroom. It was a really good size. I wouldn't really have any complaints about this, except that I feel the bathroom facilities lacked a little. By that I mean I couldn't find some of the smaller things like a shower cap, but it didn't bother me at all. You've got a large shower, you've got a bathtub, and the toilet is separated. The bathroom was all marble or marble finish, which I love. I love bathrooms with this type of finish. The kitchen had a coffee machine, a kettle, an oven, and a large fridge which had some beverages inside. And now to my favourite place in the entire apartment. It was the balcony that featured a hot tub. I think the balcony was almost the same size as the apartment. It was huge. Let me show you this incredible view. This is the incredible view. Below me was another apartment which had a private pool that you can also book, but it was a bit more expensive. The sunset was incredible, the views were incredible, and you can hear the music from downstairs at the pool. That's my quick tour of the 5 Hotel. I absolutely recommend this hotel. It's stunning. The only downside of this hotel is that it's a bit far away from the main centre of Dubai, but overall amazing.